Why are cryptic species important for biodiversity? Imagine discovering that what you thought was one species is actually several hidden within the same look. Cryptic species are groups of organisms that seem identical but are actually genetically different enough to be separate species. This makes them very important for understanding the full picture of biodiversity. First, cryptic species reveal that biodiversity is often much higher than we realize. Traditional methods of identifying species relying on visible traits like size, color, or shape. But many species look alike, hiding their true diversity. When scientists use genetic tools, they find that what looks like one species can be several. This hidden diversity means ecosystems are more complex and richer than they seem at first glance. Second, recognizing cryptic species helps us protect the right animals and plants. If we think one species is widespread but it is actually several smaller, more vulnerable species, conservation efforts can be misdirected. For example, what was once thought to be one common frog species might actually be 2 or 3 cryptic species. Some of these may be rare or endangered. Knowing this allows us to give each species the specific protection it needs. Third, studying cryptic species helps us understand how new species form. Many cryptic species come from recent evolutionary splits where physical differences haven't yet appeared. By examining their genetic makeup, scientists learn how species evolve and adapt over time. This knowledge shows us the process of speciation, which is how new species develop from existing ones. Fourth, identifying cryptic species improves how we manage ecosystems. Different cryptic species may have unique roles, behaviors, or habitat needs. Recognizing these differences helps us predict how ecosystems will respond to changes like climate shifts or habitat loss. It also helps us develop better strategies for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Finally, the discovery of cryptic species highlights the importance of modern science. Techniques like DNA analysis are essential for uncovering hidden diversity. These tools show us that many species are more complex than they appear and reminded us to use science to better understand the natural world. In real life, the African elephant was once thought to be one species, but scientists now know there are 2. They are called the savanna elephant and the forest elephant, each with different conservation needs. Similarly, some frogs and salamanders once thought to be one species have been split into multiple cryptic species. This new knowledge has led to targeted conservation actions to protect these unique animals. Understanding cryptic species helps us see the world in a new way. It reminds us that appearances can be deceiving and that there is always more to discover. This knowledge helps society make smarter choices to protect the variety of life that keeps ecosystems healthy and supports human life.